Small, fast, very hot and very cold, Mercury is the innermost planet of our solar system. With long days, short years, a thin crust and no atmosphere, it is a curious planet that has yet to be explored in great depth. 2 past missions have photographed its surface, with a third mission scheduled to arrive in 2025. Head through, into our Mercury room, to discover more about this cratered rocky planet. The smallest planet in our solar system, and nearest to the Sun, Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. However, despite being so close to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. But it is the fastest, which is why it was named after the swiftest of the ancient Roman gods. It is classed as a rocky planet, and has a solid surface covered with craters. However, Mercury has no atmosphere, moons, or rings. Mercury likes to keep things simple. We hope you enjoy finding out about this little gray rock, our next but one neighbor in the galaxy. With a radius of 1,516 miles, Mercury is a little more than 1/3 the width of Earth, and only slightly larger than our Moon. With a radius of 1,516 miles, Mercury is a little more than 1/3 the width of Earth, and only slightly larger than our Moon. Mercury is the second densest planet, after Earth, and it has a large metallic core, that takes up about 85% of the inside of the planet. There is evidence that the core is partly molten, and it is surrounded by an outer shell, only about 250 miles thick. Mercury may have water ice at its north and south poles, inside deep craters, but only in regions of permanent shadow, where it stays cold enough all year round, to preserve the ice. On this model, Mercury is colored according to altitude, with higher elevations shown in brown, yellow and red, and lower elevations appearing blue and purple. Scientists used data from the Messenger spacecraft to produce this highly detailed map, which is similar to the type of map used by hikers, to identify mountains and valleys. The highest elevation on the planet is located just south of the equator, and is about 2.5 miles above the average. The lowest elevation, which is more than 3 miles below the average, is found on the floor of Rachmaninoff Basin.